of making plaster because we make door hair, so that's why that time when they make plaster in our extension room or kitchen, then the time not enough for cement and sand, so that's why he continue this one so that we can make door hair. And today is July 7 and today is Sunday, and time now in Pakistan is 1:30 p.m. and today there is also marriage in our neighbor, our relatives down. So my husband also busy cooking there. He's a chief cook. So at the same time, must be we have to finish this one, only this side here. Now they come here to make plaster hair. Ayan. So that we can make also door hair and we can complete before July. Must be we have to complete and we can shift this extension from kitchen before July 12 or 10. Inshallah, we have to shift in this kitchen from extension. So ito yung ito yung labas ng yung kahapon na fix yung dito, yung door at saka yung window. So mamayang hapon merong pupunta dito na gumawa ng tawag diyan yung cabinets, i-fix yung yung marble, yan yung marble yung sa likod ng upuan, and then yung lababo i-fix ngayon mamayang hapon. Ayan, ito yung lababo, yan yung marble mamayang hapon kasi 1:30 p.m. pa naman. Kaya very busy ang araw. Pero inshallah bago mag 11 July 11 or 12 matatapos na ito lahat, and then ceiling din matatapos. Ayan, dito noon ito tawag yan, ginawan ng paraan na para connection yung yung dito sa room namin, kaya ginawan ito ng kaya birinok itong side na ito noon, so kaya ginawan ng door dyan kung saan siya nagpa-plaster. Ayan. Ngayon? Kanina ang lakas ng ulan. So, maybe 1 hour, after 1 hour, stop na yung ulan. Tapos na yung dito. Diyan naman sa taas. Yung final plaster. Ayan. Basa-basa kasi dapat lagyan ng tubig para maganda ang foundation. So last last 7 when there is marriage there down, when my husband is cooking there, then to mason they come here to continue this one. Ayan, ito lang yung ginawa dito. Ayan, sinira ng ng pusa. Yung pusa namin. Ayan, kasi umakyat siguro siya kasi meron dito upuan na nakalagay dito. Kaya yan ang ginawa. Tapos dito din aywan ko kaninong paa nito. Ayan, bakas ng pusa. So ito yung 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 ginawa nung dalawang mason na pumunta dito last July 7. Bali, ano lang, 2 hours yata lang sila pumunta dito. Ayan. At saka yung dito din. Ayan, dito din nilagyan dito. So, kahapon din, kagabi around 5 p.m., ito din yung ginawa na ceiling. Ito lang yung kunti lang ang hindi nalagyan kasi kulang yung materials. So, ayan. Dapat dalawang araw na ngayon kasi 7, 9 ngayon. So, dapat umaga din tanghali or evening dapat lagyan ito ng tubig para maganda ang kumbaga hindi masisira. Ayan.